Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Bumble account is banned or blocked, here's what you can do. First, check your email for any messages from Bumble explaining the ban. Most bans are related to community guideline violations. If you believe the ban is a mistake, open the Bumble app or the website and contact Bumble support. Submit an appeal with clear and honest information. Do not create new multiple accounts as they can lead to permanent bans. Wait for a response from Bumble support before taking further action. If Bumble ban is permanent, recovery may not be possible. Only Bumble support can review and reverse account bans, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.